Hello Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. This is Gigi, and if you're new here, what we do is nails. And as you can see, I've got a bunch of stuff in front of me, and we're gonna use most of it. There's one thing I didn't use, but we won't even touch on that. That's for another day. So we're gonna come in with this real pretty Modelones purple. It's a medium purple, one of my favorite shades. Really, really love it. And with that, we're gonna add a really pretty sort of highlighter, yellowy green, sort of. If you hear a cute little voice in the background, that is my grandson getting into everything that he can. Yes, he is. That's Gigi's coffee. That's Gigi's coffee. So now while those are doing their cure, and of course I'm gonna do a second coat, what we're gonna do is take this pigment. It is a nice green pigment from Ownest, and we are going to put it on our stamper. And then, of course, we're gonna come to a stamping plate, and with this Born Pretty White, we're going to make a stamp. Zoom, there we go. I slowed it down a little bit for this part, just so you could see all the details. I'm cleaning up any bits we don't want. And then we're gonna come right in on the nail and put that little tree. So guys, this little tree was supposed to be for Friday because Friday was Arbor Day. But if you are familiar with the channel, you know I moved over the weekend, and I ran out of time, guys. I couldn't get it edited. I had it shot already, but I couldn't get it edited. We're gonna do a second tree on this one with the same stamping technique. But we did, there we go, a pretty, pretty, pretty tree. Now we're gonna do a triple ombre using the same technique. We're gonna do colors that don't ombre together the best, blue and orange, but I think it came out pretty good. And then we are going to come in with some pink on the bottom, and pink and orange actually ombre together really nicely. And I'm gonna come back in with a little more work on that blue orange, and look at that. Look, it comes out pretty good in the end. Now we're gonna use this one stamp here that is leaves. And there we go. And I love how the leaves look with the triple ombre. The problem with these stamps though is they're too short. Even though I shortened these nails, I cut the tips off of them so they weren't stilettos. I just thought that a shorter coffin looked better with this particular look. But because they don't fit the whole way, I came in, you can see on the stamper there, I just did part of it. And I came in and just stamped on the top in the blue because that's the color we had left off on. And I'm just shading a little on that white that didn't work. Now you can see here, I did try to do the that one butterfly there. I tried to do the same technique using the pigment, but because it's such a big amount of polish, it wasn't picking it up correctly. So I decided to just come in with the regular stamping polish and not use the colors from the pigment. And this is the kind that is a layered stamp. So you just put the little veining right on top of the colors, and it gives you that real pretty. Okay, boys, that growling noise is the dogs playing right next to me. Yes, oh my goodness. The big dog is trying to get the little dog to play. But guys, this is the finished set without top coat. And we're gonna come in now with top coat. The thing about, hey guys, come on, I'm trying to work here. The thing about top coat on top of stamping, and especially on top of pigment stamping, is that it likes to break apart. So really, there's only a few things you can do to combat that. You can come in first with a base coat, but sometimes base coat will split as well. So that's not 100% foolproof. So what I like to do is lay down all of my top coat and then come in really fast and smooth it all out before I pop it in the lamp. Give it a little upside down and then straight in the lamp. And I always do a second one on top because there's still gonna be some splitting. But this is the finished set, you guys. Thank you for your patience with the background noise. It was super fun background noise. We're going to see you again here on Wednesday for something else really cool and awesome. I just have no idea what it is yet. Until then, thank you so much for spending time with me today. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.